Hello family, welcome once again to this channel and thank you for watching. Thank you for turning up and give me time. I am so grateful. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and join this amazing family so that you don't miss, and make sure I turn on that notification bell so that when I put the video you'll be the first to see it and it will be helpful to you. In today's video, I am here to answer one of the common questions that I've been getting. I want to answer it today, and that question is why your machine is shaking, why your machine keeps vibrating. And when you have no clothes, you have to first try and spin it before washing and compare the sound when it's spinning when there are clothes. So today's video, I want to tell you the 3 or 4 reasons why your machine keeps vibrating. And one reason is your machine's shock absorber might be worn out, or they might be old. Those who knows cars, when the car has no shock absorber, or when they're old, it keeps shaking. Even if you hit something small, it will shake to make that funny sound. Same applies to the washing machine. When the shock absorber or the bearings are old, it will shake whether you want it or not. The solution is get a technician and they get replaced. The second reason is your machine. I have got to realize that when I overload this machine, or when I put these heavy fabrics, it tends to vibrate at the end while spinning. It makes that sound. So it might be the same reason why your machine is shaking too. When you just try and put bed covers, those heavy fabrics, at the end it will shake. The third reason is your machine, if it's new, you might still be having transport balls. They are here, they need to be removed. They are no longer needed. Those are transport balls. If you're shifting or moving it from one place to another, you can put them back, then after remove them. So they are here. These are cups, these are transport balls, so they don't need to be there. You hear this sound, how if they are there, they'll be making that same sound. The last reason, your machine's legs might not be aligned accordingly. By the use of a screwdriver, on this new machine, they give us this. We get a spanner. It's not a screw, it's a spanner. So this spanner will help us to align the legs. Therefore, one by one, you'll align them one by one. And your machine will not make sound. Make sure they are tight. Make sure you tighten them by the help of this. Get one by one, screw one by one. At the end of the day, your machine will not still make that funny sound. You will not hear that funny sound. That was all for today. Let me hope I answered your questions. I've been getting this question in this week, so I decided to come and reply to you guys. Thank you for your time. I can't take you for granted. I'm always here. Just ask whenever I feel like asking. I'll always get time and come to you guys. Thank you for turning up. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell for the incoming videos. Thank you. See you. Bye.